Most people never stop seeking approval, not because they want attention, but because they learned quietly that acceptance equals safety. So they adjust, they soften their words, they delay decisions, they become careful versions of themselves. And over time, approval stops feeling optional. It feels necessary. But something unusual happens when you no longer need it. Not confidence, not arrogance, not rebellion. Something quieter changes first. Your mind slows down. You stop rehearsing conversations that haven't happened. You stop explaining yourself to people who never asked to understand. The noise fades. And in that silence, you begin to notice how much energy you are spending trying to be acceptable. When approval is no longer the goal, choices feel different. You choose based on alignment, not reaction. You speak when there is something real to say, not when silence feels uncomfortable. You say no without needing a story to justify it. This is not indifference. It is clarity. Another change follows. Your emotions become steadier. Praise no longer lifts you too high. Criticism no longer cuts as deep. Because your sense of self is no longer crowdsourced. You begin to feel grounded in a way that doesn't depend on agreement. And slowly, relationships reorganize themselves. Some grow quieter. Some fall away. A few become unexpectedly honest. Not because you changed who you are, but because you stopped negotiating it. There is a moment, subtle but unmistakable, when you realize you're no longer performing your life. You are living it. This does not make life easier, but it makes it simpler. You carry less resentment, less self-betrayal, less internal debate. You move with the kind of internal permission that no one else can grant or revoke. And perhaps the most surprising change of all, you stop needing to be understood by everyone. Being misunderstood no longer feels like a threat. It feels like freedom. Because when approval is no longer required, your attention returns to where it belongs. To your values, your direction, your pace. And from that place, something rare becomes possible. You become calm without becoming passive, clear without becoming cold, present without needing permission. Watch slowly. Let this settle. Some shifts only reveal themselves after the noise is gone. See clearly. Think clearly. Act confidently.